have been drawn with pen, and it's called the Sri Kalamkari Kalamkari style. This is done in Chittoor district of Andhra Pradesh, and these are the beautiful traditional sarees. Let me first show you the one that I'm wearing right now while you're staying cozy at home. This one is a gorgeous green with mustard color Kalamkari saree, and on the body and leaf shawl with fishes and circles. You can see that all the beautiful work has been drawn with a pen all over the body with a bamboo pen, and the colors have been which makes the sari completely natural. Our lovely border has kadi work on it in gold, and the lovely pallu has zari lines and florals over it. You can see the beautiful lotuses. We have a beautiful contrasting blouse for the sari in green color, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is AM787. Weaver's price is 15,120 rupees. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So dear beautiful ladies, before moving on to today's next sari, let me just ask you your favorite colors, your favorite patterns and design. When you let me know your answers in the comment section down below, I will be able to show you more of your favorites, and you can place more and more orders from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Let's move on to our next sari from today's episode. This one is a very beautiful color combination. Gorgeous color. Let's have a look at the details. It's a mustard with magenta color Kalamkari sari, and on the body we have florals and paisley style with Kalamkari women motifs. You can see the gorgeous work. We have floral buttees also in gold zari, and the lovely contrasting blouse in magenta color has peacocks and lines in gold zari. Here's a lovely contrasting pallu, which has cross lines and dollar buttees and checks. All this beautiful work is in gold zari. Here we have leaves with paisleys also, and florals which have been drawn with pen, and a lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW356. Weaver's price is 35,999, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to our next gorgeous sari, a lovely Kanchi Kalamkar sari, and this one is in blue color. It's going to look so beautiful on all the beautiful ladies. Let me show you the details right away. Before that, let me just remind you that please make sure you are liking, following and subscribing to us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, because every day we come up with amazing new collections of saris and weavers' prices just for you. When you follow us, you stay updated about current trends and fashion, and when you wear saris from Varamahalakshmi Silks, you become the fashion icon of every function that you attend. Moving on to the next sari. Such a beautiful midnight blue with red color Kanchi Kalamkari sari. On the body of this one, we have florals and leaves jal in Kalamkari design, which means all the designs have been hand painted, hand drawn beautifully on the body. So first the motifs and the design have been drawn with a pen, and then the natural dyed colors have been filled in. Here's the contrasting border in maroon color, which has dollars, paisleys with florals, and elephants in gold zari. And here's the lovely pallu, which has floral buttees and cross lines. Let me now show you the contrasting blouse for this sari. It's in maroon color, totally complementing the midnight blue color, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CC612. Weaver's price is 29,599. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next very beautiful sari. This one is in green color. And before that, ladies, let me just tell you that we provide global courier service, and cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. Here's the next sari. Wow. Such a gorgeous sari. Very lovely color. On the body of this peach and green color Kalamkari sari, we have florals and leaves with Kalamkari motifs. We also have Lord Krishna with the gopis. Beautiful hand painted, hand drawn designs are there. And all the beautiful colors are totally natural dyes. We have a small border here, so there are diamonds in gold zari. And the pallu has zari lines over it. It's a contrasting pallu in emerald green color with beautiful gold zari work. And let me now show you the contrasting gorgeous blouse also. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CC616. Weaver's price is 26,399, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just thank a very dear customer, very lovely customer, Miss Monica ji. Thank you so much for your compliment. It totally made my day, and this really helps me to work harder towards the goal of showing you beautiful saris every single day and with more clarity so that you can understand more about the fabric, the designs, and place your orders right away without any confusion. Moving on to the next sari now. Another beautiful midnight blue color saris here. Ladies, this color is extremely beautiful and lovely color combination as usual. Let me show you the details. We have florals and leaves jal in kalamkari design on the body, and you can see the small leaf and paisley buttis in gold zari. Very subtle zari work is there all over the body. And the contrasting border in red color has floral jal with peacocks. Inside the peacocks, we have cross lines and zigzag line detailing along with the small paisleys also. And here's the lovely pallu, which has brocade work all over it in gold zari. Here's the gorgeous contrasting blouse in red color, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CC614. Weaver's price is 29,599. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just welcome our dear customer Saravanan ji. Hello, and I welcome you. I hope you're enjoying today's episode, and I also hope that you will stay tuned till the end, because today's collection is very exquisite. It's very unique and very beautiful too. So I will show you many lovely saris. Just stay tuned till the end. Moving on to the next one now. Another very lovely color is here. Let me show you the body first. It's a grey with red color kalamkari sari, and on the body we have florals and leaves jal with buttis. The small floral buttis are in silver zari, and then we have very colorful kalamkari work, hand painted beautifully. Border is in contrasting red color, has florals and leaves jal with paisleys in beautiful colors, bright colors. And a lovely contrasting pallu which has floral buttis and kadi over it. Very lovely colorful work is there. Let me now show you the gorgeous contrasting blouse for the sari, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CC618. Weaver's price is 33,704. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just welcome a dear customer, Miss Anupriya ji. I am doing really well. How are you doing? I hope you're staying safe during this really cold winter in Hyderabad. And also, thank you so much for your compliment. I will keep on showing you beautiful saris with lovely looks every single day. Moving on to the next one now. Another gorgeous blue color sari is here with a slightly bigger border. On the body of this one, we have floral jal with peacocks in circles. Very beautiful, gorgeous work is there, hand painted with natural dyes. And the red color contrasting border has diamonds and floral jal with peacocks. Here's our pallu, which has triangles and cross lines, and all this gorgeous work is in gold zari, which is adding a lovely shine to the sari. And we have a very lovely, gorgeous self blouse, because the color and the design is so beautiful in itself. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CC615, Weaver's price is 35,999. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So dear beautiful ladies, now before I show you the next saree, I will be showing you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about your collections and Weaver's prices too. Moving on to it now. Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. So I am back, beautiful ladies, to show you lovely more sarees. And before that, let me just tell you that these videos will be saved on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube once the live is over. So you can come back, watch it again, share it with your friends and family and place lots and lots of orders from Varamahalakshmi Silks this festive season. Let me now show you the next gorgeous saree with such beautiful hand drawings over it. Very authentic piece. Totally love the designs over it, since a lot of hard work goes into drawing each and every single motif and then filling the colors in it. It's a mustard yellow with rust color saree, and on the body we have florals and leaves with huge god motifs. We also have polkas in gold zari. And here's the contrasting border, which has temples, gold zari kadi and single munya buttis. Let me now show you the beautiful pallu, which has Paithani style work over it. So you can see the huge florals and leaves jal along with the peacocks on gold zari kadi. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CC631, Weaver's price is 55,999 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So dear beautiful ladies, before moving on to the next saree, let me just tell you a little bit about these beautiful kalamkari sarees. So this type of work that we have done on these sarees, that is hand-drawn designs. It's called Sri Kalahasti Kalamkari work and it's done in the Chittoor district of Andhra Pradesh. So you can see the beautiful motifs have been hand-drawn with a pen, and then all the naturally extracted colors from vegetables and fruits are filled into it. The fabric is pure silk for these beautiful sarees, which makes these sarees even more unique. And let me now show you the next gorgeous one so that you can make up your mind and place the order for all your favorite sarees right away. Another gorgeous saree in blue color with a small pink color border. On the body of this one, we have florals and leaves jal, hand drawn beautifully, and the lovely pink color contrasting border has diamonds over it. So let me show you the contrasting pallu, which has zari lines over it. It's a very beautiful and bright shade of pink contrasting with the blue color. And a gorgeous contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CC619. Weaver's price is 21,599 rupees. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next saree is also in a very beautiful color combination. So ladies, without any further delay, I will share the details right away. Let's have a look at it. Here comes the next Sri Kalahasti Kalamkari saree. On the body of this one, which is in lime yellow and green color, we have florals and leaves with god motifs all over the body. You can see there are small floral buttis also in gold and silver zari. That's adding even more charm to this beautiful, gorgeous Kalamkari saree. It's a very exquisite piece from today's collection. The border, which is in peacock green color, has floral jal and zigzag lines over it in gold zari. We also have florals in boxes. And here's the pallu, which has floral buttis and cross checks. It's a lovely contrasting pallu. We also have paisleys here. Let's have a look at the contrasting blouse for this saree, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CC621, weaver's price is 47,999, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next sari has a lot of intricate, beautiful designs over it. Let me show it to you right away. Here comes the gorgeous sari. Wow. Such a lovely color. Very natural color. It's a sea green with beige color, kalamkari sari, and on the body we have florals and human motifs in kalamkari design. So most of the Sri Kalahasti kalamkari saris are used to depict the myths about gods, the stories about gods and goddesses, and a lot of myths and stories too. A lot of colorful work is there, as you can see on the body of this one. And the beige color contrasting border has diamonds over it in gold zari. Here is our pallu, which has god motifs with florals over it, making the sari even more divine, even more gorgeous and pious. And we have a very beautiful self blouse which has florals and leaves jal drawn over it. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CC620, weaver's price at 10,399, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So dear beautiful ladies, before moving on to the next sari, let me just tell you that we provide global courier service and cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. Let's have a look at the next gorgeous sari. Another very rustic piece. I love this color combination very much. Very classy sari. It's a beige with black color, Kanchi Kalamkari sari, and the body has human motifs in Kalamkari design. You can see the lovely colors that have been used. So the colors are not overpowering the beige color body. They're very neutral, making the design very lovely and very elegant at the same time. The border is in bottle green color. It's a very dark shade of bottle green, which is contrasting beautifully with the beige color. And we have temples, peacocks, and diamonds with leaves jal in gold zari. Here's the beautiful pallu, which has florals and crossed lines. All this lovely work is in gold zari. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CC622. Weaver's price is 35,199. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Dear ladies, I hope you're enjoying today's episode. I'm trying to show you so many variations in colors and designs from today's Sri Kalahasti Kalamkari saris, where the designs and the motifs have been hand-drawn and then lovely colors are filled in. And these colors are extracted only from fruits and vegetables, keeping the sari so natural and beautiful too. Moving on to the next one now. Here comes a very bright and lovely color combination sari. Love the design of this one. It's a blue with red color kalamkari sari, and on the body we have florals with kalamkari. We have human motifs on the body. And the border here has florals with elephants and parrots and checks. So all this work is an ikat style weave. We also have lines here. Here's the pallu, which has elephants, florals, and parrots and lines. And such a gorgeous contrasting blouse. To place an order, you just need to take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CC617. Weaver's price is 39,999. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to the next beautiful sari, ladies. Another very lovely color combination coming up for you now. Let's have a look at this next sari now. So the color combination is very pretty, and let's have a look at the motifs now on the body. It's a peach with maroon kalamkari sari. On the body we have leaf buttis with village theme in kalamkari design. Leaf buttis are in gold zari. And the village theme, as you can see, has a lot of detailing in it. You can see the bulls, the women. It's a happy day in the village. Let me now show you the contrasting border in maroon color, which has crossed lines, dollars in boxes, paisleys, and leaves with florals. All this work is in beautiful gold zari. And the pallu has floral brocade work over it in gold zari. I will now show you the gorgeous contrasting blouse, and to place in that you just need to take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BT385. Weaver's price is 34,399. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's have a look at next sari, ladies, and also please make sure you are letting me know your favorite colors in the comment section down below, so that I can show you more of your favorites and you can buy more and more from Varamahalakshmi Silks this festive season. Let's have a look at the next sari. Another gorgeous teal blue color saris here, ladies. I totally love this color so much. And on the body of this one, we have florals and kalamkari prints. Very rustic design and colors have been used on the blue color body. And border, which is in wine color, has temples, dollars in boxes, cross lines, peacocks and yalis, and diamonds in gold zari. Here's a beautiful pallu which has brocade work over it. So we have diamonds brocade work. And a very lovely contrasting blouse is there. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW354. Weaver's price is 37,599. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to today's next gorgeous sari. Another very classy sari coming up for all the classy ladies. Oh, beautiful cream color body. On the body of this one, we have forest theme in kalamkari design. So I can see the elephants, florals, birds, horses, camels, deers, trees. Very beautiful work is there. Totally love this sari, ladies. So many lovely colors also have been used on the body. And there's a small border in grey color which has diamonds over it in gold zari. Let's have a look at the beautiful pallu, contrasting blue color pallu which has gold zari lines over it. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse too. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW359. Weaver's price is 26,399. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So let's now move on to today's next sari. This one is a beautiful blue with red color Kanchi Kalamkari sari. Moving on to it. Very gorgeous color combination, and on the body of this one, we have florals and leaves jal in Kalamkari on the body. So all this work has been drawn with a pen, and then the colors have been filled in. The colors have been extracted from all natural sources such as fruits and vegetables. Here's the contrasting border in red color which has paisleys in boxes, small zigzag lines, and then cross lines and florals in boxes and gold zari. Here's our pallu which has floral brocade work over it. So there are diamonds, peacocks, and then floral brocade work in gold zari. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW366. Weaver's price is 35,999, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just interact with my very dear customers. So I hope you're enjoying today's episode, which is about beautiful Sri Kalahasti Kalamkari saris. And also please let me know what colors you want to see so that I can show you more of your favorites. And since you know that all these colors have been extracted from fruits and vegetables, we have a certain range of colors that is available in these beautifully hand-painted kalamkari sarees. All these sarees have been naturally dyed, keeping them very eco-friendly. Let me now show you the next one. Very beautiful saree, another very favorite piece, my favorite piece from this collection. It's a teal blue with maroon color kanchi kalamkari saree. On the body of this one, we have all our women motifs in kalamkari design. So there are different women going about their day in different outfits. Beautiful colorful work is there all over the body. Here's the contrasting border in maroon color, which has florals and peacocks and zari checks and gold zari. Here's the lovely pallu, which has brocade work over it. We have diamonds in circles, gold zari brocade work. And let me now show you the beautiful, gorgeous, contrasting blouse too. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code that is BW374. Weaver's price is 55,999, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So dear ladies, since so many of you are loving the saree that I'm wearing today, I will be showing the details one more time so that none of you have to wait to watch the episode since the beginning again. So let me share the details once again. It's a beautiful green with mustard color kalamkari saree. On the body we have florals and leaves jal with fishes and circles. All this work has been hand painted on this tussar silk saree. The border has kadi in gold, and pallu has lotuses, florals with cross lines in gold saree. There's a contrasting blouse in green color, and to place an order for this one, just take a screenshot along with the item code that is AM787. Weaver's price is 15,120. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, अब मैंने दोबारा आपसे वीडियो इस साड़ी की डिटेल्स शेयर की हैं. सो प्लीज़ आप जल्द से जल्द ऑर्डर प्लेस कर दीजिए इस ब्यूटीफुल साड़ी का. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा लाइट वेट है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल कलर्स भी यूज हैं, एंड ये साड़ीज़ हैं प्योरली नेचुरल साड़ीज़ जिनके ऊपर नेचुरली एक्सट्रैक्टेड कलर्स यूज़ करे जाते हैं जो आते हैं फ्लावर्स से एंड फ्रूट से. तो चलिए देखते हैं हमारी आज की नेक्स्ट गॉर्जियस साड़ी. बहुत ही ज़्यादा ब्राइट एंड ब्यूटीफुल कलर कॉम्बिनेशन है. Very gorgeous color. It's a beautiful mustard with navy blue kanchi kalamkari sari. बॉडी के ऊपर है फ्लोरल्स एंड लीव्स जाल इन कलमकारी विद फ्लोरल बुट्टीज जो है गोल्ड जरी में. देयर आर पेजलीज बुट्टीज ऑन द बॉडी. एंड नेवी ब्लू बॉर्डर के ऊपर है टेम्पल्स, क्रॉस लाइन्स, पेसलीज विद पीकॉक्स एंड डायमंड्स विद जिगजैग लाइन्स. Pallu has paisleys and cross lines. We also have peacocks in the cross lines. And let me now show you the gorgeous contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code that is BW352. Weaver's price is 37,599, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So before moving on to the next sari, let me just answer a query by a very dear customer, Miss Vidyashri ji. First of all, I welcome you here, and you wanted to know about the fabric of these saris. So yes, all the designs have been hand painted and hand drawn over these saris, and some of them are tussar silk and some of them are pure pattu silk saris. Let me now show you the next gorgeous sari. beautiful peach with maroon color sari, and on the body of this one, we have peacock buttees in gold zari with women motifs in kalamkari all over the body. Border in maroon color has polkas and boxes, cross lines, peacocks and circles, and florals and leaves shawl in gold zari. Here's the gorgeous contrasting pallu, which has florals and cross lines in gold zari, along with the paisleys and boxes, peacocks and florals in boxes too. And here's the beautiful contrasting blouse in maroon color. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW368. Weavers prices 35,199. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 So dear gorgeous ladies, before moving on to today's next sari, I will be showing you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about the collections, weavers prices, everyday lives and videos too. Moving on.
నమస్తే, నేను మీ సంగీత. నేను ఇక్కడ వరమహాలక్ష్మికి వచ్చాను. వచ్చి ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగుంది, బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. మీరు కూడా ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ని చూడాలంటే ప్లీజ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ టు Kanchi VML Silks in Facebook, Insta and also on YouTube. And you can shop online freely, peacefully. And if you want to go in person, the shops are located in Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. So here I am back, and first of all I would like to thank our very dear customer Ms. Rani Kumari ji. Thank you so much for your lovely compliment, and I hope you will also look very gorgeous this festive season when you wear this beautiful and unique kalamkari sarees. Let me now show you the next gorgeous one. Coming up next is a beautiful blue color kalamkari saree. Let's have a look at the details. It's a teal blue with red color kalamkari saree, and on the body we have florals and leaves in kalamkari design. So mostly we have lotuses, so seen from the pond. So blue color is making up for the background of the pond, and beautiful pink color lotuses are there. We have a contrasting border in red color which has leaves, shawl, peacocks and elephants in boxes, and then we have diamonds in gold zari. Here's the beautiful pallu, which has brocade over it in gold zari. There's diamond brocade work. And here's a very lovely contrasting blouse also. To place an order, you can take a screenshot along with the item code and send it to. First, the item code is BW376 and weaver's price is 39,999. You need to send a screenshot to 890001 Also ladies, you can see that this saree has two different color borders. So here we have bottle green color, while here we have red color. Miss Anuji, you can consider this saree because it has some bottle green in it, and I will definitely try to show you more sarees so that you can consider your options. And if I'm not able to show you your perfect saree in today's episode, you can take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will give you a video call at a time of convenience and show you all the beautiful sarees that you want to see. Let me now show you the next gorgeous saree. It's a beautiful combination with green color. On the body of this one, which is in yellow color, we have florals and leaves jal in kalamkari. And then we have a scene from the pond where we have women motifs, there are fishes and lotuses. Lovely gorgeous work is there, very bright and beautiful colors are there. And we have a contrasting border in emerald green color which has dollars in boxes, zigzag lines, cross lines, peacocks with florals, and all this beautiful work is in gold zari. Let's have a look at the contrasting pallu in green color which has florals and zari lines over it in gold, and a beautiful contrasting blouse too. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW367. Weaver's price is 31,999. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 0002. Moving on to next very lovely sari. It's in peach and maroon color. Let's have a look at the details. On the body of this one, we have a forest theme work. So how many animals can you spot? I can see camels and deers, parrots with birds, peacocks on the trees, horses also. I can see some cows also, buffaloes too. A lot of gorgeous work is there. And we have floral buttis also on the body in gold zari. Here's the contrasting border in maroon color, which has temples, dollars in boxes, cross lines, peacocks in circles, florals and leaf shawl in gold zari. And a very beautiful contrasting pallu, which has diamonds and peacocks and florals in zari checks in gold zari. Here's the contrasting blouse for the sari, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW360. Weaver's price is 35,199. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next very beautiful in a very unique color sari. Let's have a look at the details. How do you like this sari, lady? I totally love this one. So it's a lilac color kalamkari sari. As you can see, this is a slightly different color from all the saris that I've shown to you till now, which makes the sari very exclusive and unique. Make sure you're placing the order within 24 hours to avail to the weaver's prices too. So on the body of this one, we have florals and leaf shawl, which have been hand drawn and painted beautifully in pink, blue and green colors. And this is a lovely contrasting border. It's a kanchi border in mustard color. Dollars in boxes, elephants with peacocks and florals and leaf shawl, and diamonds are there in gold zari. Here's our pallu, which has floral brocade work over it. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse is there in mustard color, which has beautifully hand painted florals over it. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BT386. Weaver's price is 52,800. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next saree is also a very gorgeous one, ladies. So please stay tuned till the end of this episode, because there are many more gorgeous sarees to show from today's collection. Moving on to the next one now. On the body of this gorgeous sari, which is in beige and red color, we have huge god motifs in kalamkari design. So these saris are very creative and artistic. They are like canvases with lovely paintings over them. Here's the contrasting red color border, which has cross lines with peacocks and florals over it in gold zari. And a very lovely pallu, which has triangles and cross lines in gold zari. Let me now show you the very beautiful contrasting blouse for this sari, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW378. Weaver's price is 47,999. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just thank a very dear customer, Miss Rani Kumari ji. Thank you so much for loving this sari. Even I love it so much. It's very unique and exquisite, and I always love the pieces which are little different from the rest of the saris. So please make sure you're placing your order right away to avail to the amazing weavers prices too. Moving on to the next one now. This one is a gorgeous peach with maroon color kanchi kalamkari sari, and on the body of this one, we have florals and peacock buttis in zari with kalamkari motifs. The peacock buttis are in gold zari, while the women motifs have been hand drawn and painted over it. The border in maroon color has cross lines with peacocks and floral jal. And the pallu has floral jal and cross lines. Let me now show you the beautiful contrasting blouse in maroon color, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BT377. Weaver's price is 35,199. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next saree is also a very bright and beautiful one, so let me show you the details right away. Here comes the next kalamkari saree. Such a lovely shade of red. And on the body of this one, we have florals and leaves jal over it. Very bright color leaves are there, adding a beautiful pop of color. Our border has temples and single munya buttis over it on the gold zari kadi. Here's the lovely pallu which has Paithani style work over it. So first of all we have gold zari kadi. Along with that we have huge florals and leaves jal with colorful parrots and single munya buttis. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BF983. Weaver's price is 29,280. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to the next beautiful saree from today's collection of Sri Kalahasti Kalamkari sarees. Moving on to the next one. This one is a beige with blue color saree. On the body we have florals and women motifs in Kalamkari design. Women going about their day in beautiful outfits, looking very lovely on this body. Border, which is in Kanchi style, has diamonds, paisleys, peacocks and cross lines in gold zari. And the pallu has paisley brocade work over it along with the peacocks in gold zari. Let me now show you the beautiful contrasting blouse for the saree, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW351. Weaver's price is 45,599. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next very beautiful color combination, peach with maroon saree, and this one has different design over it. Let's have a look at the details. Here it is, the lovely gorgeous kalamkari saree. On the body of this one, we have huge god motifs with peacocks in zari, and we have a lot of cows also. So we have Lord Krishna along with all his cows. The border in maroon color has paisleys and cross lines in gold zari. The paisleys have floral detailings inside them. And here's the contrasting pallu which has floral brocade work over it in gold zari. So there are florals and cross checks. Here's the beautiful contrasting blouse for the saree, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW377. Weaver's price is 35,199. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next saree is a very classic combination of maroon with green. Let's have a look at the details. On this beautiful saree, we have florals and leaves in kalamkari design on the body, along with the leaf buttis in gold zari. Border in green color has temples, cross lines, and peacocks with florals in gold zari. Here's the contrasting pallu which has florals and leaves jal with paisleys in gold zari. A lot of bright and beautiful gold zari work is there on the emerald green color pallu. And a gorgeous contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is. Let's have a look at the details of the pricing. Item code is BT399. Weaver's price is 27,976. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to next beautiful saree from today's collection of Kanchi Kalamkari sarees and Sri Kalahasti Kalamkari sarees. Moving on to the next one. So we have a cream color body for this saree, which has all over kalamkari motifs. So we have humans, cows, people going about their day. It's a village theme work. Border in yellow color has lovely gold zari work. We have florals and leaves jal with diamonds and lines. And contrasting pallu has florals and diamonds and lines in gold zari again. We also have a very gorgeous contrasting blouse, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW363. Weaver's price is 35,999. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to our next saree. This one is a peach with red color, Kanchi Kalamkari saree. On the body of this beautiful saree, we have florals and leaves jal with human faces motifs. It's a light pink color saree, and the contrasting border in red color has zigzag lines with dollars and boxes in gold zari. Pallu has floral brocade work over it in gold zari. And a very gorgeous contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is Y473. Weaver's price is 36,799 rupees. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next gorgeous saree has a lot of intricate detailing over the body, so let me show you the details right away. Let's have a look at it. On the body of this beautiful light pink with red color, maroon color saree, we have human motifs with a lot of florals and trees. And there are paisleys buttees with florals in gold zari. The border in maroon color has temples, florals, elephants and peacocks in boxes, and diamonds in gold zari with cross lines too. And here's the pallu, which has brocade work over it in gold zari. Here's the very lovely contrasting blouse, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BT391. Weaver's price is 35,199 rupees. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to next lovely saree. It's a cream with red color, Kanchi Kalamkari saree. Let's have a look at the details. Another beautiful saree with a village theme work over it. On the body, we have florals and village theme in Kalamkari design. You can see the coconut tree, people going about their day, feeding their cows. Lovely work is there. Border in red color has florals and diamonds in gold zari and lines too. Pallu has floral brocade work over it. And a very lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BT375. Weaver's price is 39,999. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to our next gorgeous saree. This one is a beautiful beige with red color, Kanchi Kalamkari saree with hand-drawn motifs. Beautifully done all over the body. This one has women motifs and Kalamkari motifs along with Lord Krishna and florals and leaves. A beautiful design is there. It looks like a lovely painting all over the body. Border in red color has peacocks and florals with cross lines over it in gold zari. And here's the beautiful pallu, which has triangles and cross lines in gold zari along with the peacocks. Here I will show you the beautiful contrasting blouse, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BW375. Weaver's price is 47,999. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So dear gorgeous ladies, before moving on to the next saree, let me show you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about your collections, Weaver's prices and lives too. Moving on to it. Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. Here I am back with another very gorgeous saree in teal blue and pink color, and this one especially for Miss Rani Kumari ji. Since you want to see a saree in florals, I think this one is perfect for you, because we don't just have florals, but we have a lot of beautiful organic components on the body, like the ducks, we have fishes also. A lovely pond scene is there. The contrasting border in pink color has florals in circles with diamonds detailing around them. We have paisleys and temples in gold zari. Here's the pallu, which has floral buttees and kadi. We have huge geometrical floral buttees And then we have circular floral buttees. There are cross lines in gold zari. And a very gorgeous contrasting blouse in pink color. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BH635. Weaver's price is 41,439. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Miss Rani ji, make sure that you're placing the order for this sari right away, because you will definitely look like a queen in this very gorgeous sari from Kalamkari collection of Varamahalakshmi Silks. Let me now show you the next gorgeous sari. Coming up next is a classic black color Kalamkari sari. On the body of this beautiful one, we have florals and god motifs in Kalamkari on the body. We have a lot of lovely detailing. We have a pond and trees with florals and leaves. And the border has gold zari kadi with lines. The pallu also has gold kadi over it. And with a lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BT398. Weaver's price is 16,799. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful sari, and Miss Rani ji, you can consider this one also because it has florals and leaf style all over the body. It's a very lightweight one, very lovely sari in light pink color. On the body we have florals and leaves jal in Kalamkari design. Border has triangles and temples and gold zari. And pallu has floral jal with zari lines. The sari has a lovely self blouse, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BT397. Weaver's price is 26,399, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful peach color sari with a lot of intricate details over it. Moving on to this one. Beautiful design. It's a peach with bright pink Kalamkari sari. Body has peacocks in gold zari. And we have Kalamkari work all over the body. A lot of detailing is there. So we have a lot of women motifs with florals on the body in different colors. And border, which is in pink color, has cross lines, dollars in boxes, florals and leaf shawl with peacocks in gold zari. And here's the pallu, which has floral buttees and cross lines and checks over it in gold. Let me now show you the beautiful contrasting blouse, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BT396. Weaver's price is 35,199. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful sari now. Let's have a look at this gorgeous beige with red color Kanchi Kalamkari sari. Another very lovely piece from today's collection. On this one, we have florals and leaves with village theme in Kalamkari design all over the body. Looks like a beautiful painting on a canvas, making the sari so exquisite and unique. Border in red color has florals and leaves in line. We have dollars in boxes too. All the work is in gold zari. There are diamonds also. And here's the pallu, which has cross lines over it in gold zari, along with the florals and paisleys too. Here's the lovely contrasting blouse, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BT393. Weaver's price is 47,999. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So dear ladies, now that we are done with these saris, I will be showing you the saris draped on the mannequin so that you can have a look and you can understand how gorgeous you will look when you drape these saris on yourself, and with your lovely smile, you're going to glow in it. Moving on to the first one. This one is a beige color Kalamkari sari, which has Kalamkari motifs and florals all over the body. So we have human motifs, hand drawn all over the body. Border is in peach color, has temples and gold zari kadi with single munia buttees. Pallu has huge peacocks and florals, and there's a self blouse in beige color. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY197. Weaver's price is 43,999. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to today's next gorgeous sari. It's a teal blue color with aquamarine blue color Kalamkari sari. On the body of this one, we have mermaids with florals, a beautiful scene from a lake. and the border has kadi over it in gold. Pallu has brocade work on it, and there's a lovely contrasting blouse to place in order for this very gorgeous sari in beautiful color and design. Take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BT392. Weaver's price is 48,400. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let's take blessings from the Divine Goddess to have an amazing week ahead and a very amazing and loving shopping experience from Varamahalakshmi Silks. And now I will be showing you today's next sari. It's in beige and navy blue color. Body has self checks with floral jal in kalamkari motifs. All the work has been hand painted and colors are filled, which have been extracted from all natural sources like fruits and vegetables. Border in blue color has strips and lines and paisleys jal in gold zari, and the pallu has zari lines over it. There's a lovely contrasting blouse, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is AM813. Weaver's price is 23,999. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Here, let me show you the last sari for today's episode. And ladies, this is also one of the most exquisite sari from today's episode of Kanchi Kalamkari Saris. And beautiful hand-painted Kalamkari saris. It's in peach and pink color, and on the body we have forest theme work. We also have a village theme. We have a lot of human motifs with animals and florals. And on the border, which is in pink color, we have peacocks, elephants and dollars and lines in gold zari. There's a contrasting pallu which has brocade work over it in gold zari, and a lovely contrasting blouse also in pink color. To place in order for the most exquisite sari from today's episode, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is AH512. Weaver's price is 63,999. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Dear gorgeous ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's episode about beautiful Sri Kalahasti Kalamkari saris, which have been hand painted all over it with naturally extracted colors from fruits and vegetables. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe, keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Also keep giving us all your love and support too. Namaskaram.
Drape yourself in Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks and bring out the royalty within you. Do follow Kanchi VML Silks so that you can never miss updates and offers from VML Silks.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.